Look, gang, we here at the tire shop, man. My partner Vinny out here. Look at this little beast he got here. Let's see, you got a Japanese what in there, Vinny?
A little GSR.
Yeah. What you get this thing for? Pretty good price?
A little $800 Eclipse.
A trade?
I'll traded.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
The Eclipse was pretty hard though, guys. I mean, don't let it sound like it's just a little regular Eclipse. But nice. Let's hear how that thing sound.
I ain't got the keys.
You ain't got the keys with you? We're gonna hear it later though, guys. We'll crank it up later on.
We gonna fix it up, man. Give me about 2 weeks with it and get some stuff worked out with it. It's gonna be done right.
Yeah?
She's gonna boost in the next month or two, that's for sure.
So you already got a turbo and everything?
Nah, but that
Eyes
ain't
on
nothing but damn ordering it online.
Oh yeah.
Everything I do, big turbo on it. Put the naturally aspirated life.
Yeah, yeah. That's sweet right there. Yeah, guys, these are tires right here. Freaking massive, man. Look how big these things are. Golly. You gonna put those on the bins a day? It's gonna be gravy. Oh yeah, gonna take care of a lot of slipping. But yeah, these right here, $295 30 19s, guys. Right now I got two 75 35s and it came factory at 265 35. So we're gonna see how these things fit up under there, and we're gonna have to see how it can turn out. So we're just checking out the meats on the back of the C63s right here right now. Man, y'all saw how wide the other ones in the 295s are. Oh my God, I'm getting choked with freaking emissions. But yeah, we're gonna see how these look. Man, I'm telling you, man, tirebuyer.com is the way to go. So I got my tires. I had them on here I ordered them October 31st. It's now November 20th. They got a 45-day test drive, man. And you know, I'm about to pop these babies off. And we're gonna get these other ones on there. So that's what it is. I had the front ones. I'm happy with the front size. I don't want to go wide in the front. Definitely gonna go a little wider in the back, a whole another 20 millimeters. It's gonna really give it a whole nother look. It's gonna that 30 profile gonna bring it down a notch. Yeah, it's gonna look phenomenal, guys. Gonna look phenomenal. Stay tuned for that. Okay. Not a whole lot of overhang. Well, it's none at all. So the 295 is gonna put us right there where we wanna be. Gonna hit that sweet spot. Roll up out of here, man. You gonna let me hear that thing sound? Oh, you about to throw the spark? We about to throw the spark plugs in this thing, man. Yeah. We'll probably check it out when we come back. This thing looks nasty though, man.
Yeah, it's a little dirty.
Yeah, it look good though. I like how these things so open.
Yeah. Oh
yeah. Aftermarket fuel pressure regulators and all that. Yeah, definitely the perfect budget bill right there. But we're gonna come back to it, man. We got to roll up out of here and come back. We had these thrown on the car. The old tires, just throw them. I'll grab them when I come back. Yeah. Hey, man, I'll see you shortly. And when I come back, man, I want to hear it. All right. All right, we'll be back, guys. We'll be back. Wifey here to pick me up. Okay, we pulling up to the tire shop, man. Let's go see what this thing look like. See it from the distance right there.
I'll let it run for about a minute real quick.
Okay.
The interior's fucked in right now. Build a motor for it?
Yeah.
He bought the motor. Alright. He bought the motor from Homeboy.
Yeah.
Bought a two-door from our co-worker that works here.
Right.
Michelle.
Yeah.
The dude had another cell anyway, so he just left it over there. He's like, hey man, if you want it, it's got coilovers, everything on it.
Oh, really?
Like, hell yeah.
How much?
$3.
Wow. The whole
just
parts car though.
Body, you know?
You could probably get a title.
Well, what I'm gonna do is I talked to the guy from Team Nasty and Boosted Motorsports.
Yeah.
they're gonna tow it to my house for me. I'm a stripper. They do junk cars and stuff, which is a Honda. They do a lot of Honda stuff.
Right.
So I'm gonna let them go ahead and get that and do whatever they need with the shell. He's gonna cover that for the tow.
Oh, that'd be dope. Hell
That
yeah.
way I ain't got no money invested in it.
Man, that's keep running across good deals. All right, cool. Guys, at the Honda. What year is it again?
95.
95 Honda Civic
GSR.
GSR. Okay. That shit's stupid. Golly. Okay, it sounds race ready, man. It sounds like it's ready to hit a quarter mile time or something. That thing sound wicked. That thing sound crazy good. That shit sound wicked as hell. Wow. Man, that sound good.
On the game.
Man, you in there now? Yeah. You thinking about colors or anything? But that's gonna be on the last part of the do list.
I don't know, man. I'm gonna let my wife pick the color on.
Yeah?
Yeah. She'll be painted.
Oh man. This thing sounds good.
Damn, I don't know. Whoever made that square in there is a retard. You always make separate.
Right, I know, right? You just gonna get a whole nother hood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get another hood. I mean, realistically,
yeah,
I might hold off until I boost it, because that's just like I said, about 2 months away.
Yeah, I do that. Boost it first.
The opportunities are limitless at that point, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
So much stuff I can do with it I can't do right now.
Right. My man gonna boost it up, man. Get a turbo on this thing. We're gonna hit eBay up, right?
I don't know, man.
Yeah.
I might get something like Sheepy Build or something, man. You know, Sheepy makes some good stuff.
Right.
Maybe a nice little tuner geek intercooler.
Yeah.
It depends, man. I definitely, even if I do go an eBay route,
yeah,
it's gonna be like just hardware. You know,
right.
The turbo would definitely be like. I'm a big fan of precision and Borg Warner.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with S356.
Yeah, I mean, I be hearing a lot of good stuff about the ones on eBay. As far as they last all right, pretty, but when they go, so. Yeah, you don't want those problems.
You know what I mean, man? I like the dog myself a little bit.
I know, right? Yeah. Man, this thing sound good as hell. Oh, yeah. It feel pretty good in power and everything out on the street. Man.
Even with the damn tires on there, man, it don't hook at all.
They don't?
Nah.
No?
25 minutes on the tires, man, they don't hook with the shit.
Man. That's what's up, man. Let me go ahead and pay this guy. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I'll send you the link to the YouTube, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I need to like, share, sub too also. Like it up. I'm gonna go out here and check out the fins. We got the tires in there. Yeah, I'm amazed all that fit up under there. Yeah. I see 295 is pushing it a little bit. It's about time I get a little tighter, a little bigger rim.
Yeah, in time.
Yeah. But that's still not too bad, I'd say. What you think?
If you run out of the track, at least call for like 40 PSI in the back, like car does.
Right.
I lower them down to like 30 if I was gonna run it and get a little bit more grip.
Right.
Lose some of that stiffness.
Okay.
But yeah, man, they got some meat on there.
Yeah. Yeah, it still should handle pretty good. I see what it do. Yeah. See, I'm pretty sure I like these better than the ones in the car right now. But yeah, gang, we're gonna go pay for this and get up out of here. So y'all like it up. It's your boy Kurt, and I'll holler at you later. All right, gang, so we out here at the FedEx store, man. We just dropped these tires off. Yeah, man, tirebuyer.com, man, make it so easy. Free returns with the tires. You get a 45-day test drive with them things, man. I tried the 275. Nice wide tire, but just not quite where this one is, as you can see. So lot more width with that one right there. Still up under there, pretty good. As you can see. Yeah, looking real good still. So a lot more traction right there, guys. And do a quick walk around right here. Still nice and clean. I wouldn't advise going wide on the front, man, because the Benz got such a tight turning radius. It's gonna like be a lot on that front suspension when you turn in a wider tire than the one that's already on there. But I mean, it's up to you. It's your car. You do what you want to do. They fit. A lot of guys getting widers on the front, but this thing is phenomenal anyway with the tires that's currently on the front. I just want some more traction. That's all. But anyway, guys, your boy C-Spec, man. I'm out of here for real, man. That'll be easy. Peace. Ooh, got a wreck up here, guys. Check it out. Yeah, that's it right there, man. That thing's towed up. Yeah, check that out right there. Yeah, check that for sure. Goodness. See that? Got 5-0 out here. They out here investigating. But man, that sucks, man. You gotta pay attention. You know what I'm saying? Gotta pay attention. You gotta pay attention, dog.